girl. Hey, welcome back for another video. Are you in a holiday mood? I'm talking ring ting ting-a-ling ting ting ting-a-ling too. I don't know. Maybe, but let's have Thanksgiving first. But before we get to that, what we are going to do today in this video is using items strictly from the Dollar Tree. Create the glitter ornaments. We'll be turning
on the side,
these rinky-dinky-dinks into
look at my
a set of these.
Look at mine.
So if you're interested, want to learn how, see some tips and tricks, stay tuned for the video. Alright, so as I previously stated, we are going to make the glitter ornaments using strictly things from the Dollar Tree. Those things are ornaments, of course. We're gonna use this fancy glitter pack. It's got this dark blue, another blue, this teal, a lighter blue, and some green. They also had like a gold version, a black version, a pink one, all type of thing. You know the Dollar Tree be hitting. A funnel, Dollar Tree. This came in a pack of 3. Can you see it? Can you see it? Oh, this is White Rain hairspray. And then little Dixie cups. Yeah, those are the things. And let's do this, Brutus. Yeah. All right. Let's do this. So, here are our Dixie cups. We'll need those later. Our glitter. I lied. These scissors are not from the Dollar Tree. Get out my video. They're the Pre-Cut scissors. And here's the White Rain hairspray. So, first thing we're gonna do, maybe pop these little suckers off right here. I like to leave them in the package just for like storage purposes. I feel like I just hang them up, and then when the time comes to sell them or get them ready for my personal tree, they're already good to go. Also, these are plastic, so if they roll off the table, no worries. So the first thing we do, set that one aside. I use my cups, set it up. So I have my little 3-pack of funnels. I take my smaller funnel, which already got glitter in it. Slide that in there, like that. I take my hairspray. Take the lid off. Drip, drip, drip. Drop, drop, drop. Drip, drip. And I just pour some in there. Not a whole bunch. I could probably use less, but I'm gonna redeposit it anyway. Take that out. And I put my funnel back on this. Now this has the hairspray in it. I just swirl it. Swirl it. Swirl it. Just like you would do with the polycleric. It's just more of a liquidy texture, of course. So, first of all, don't talk about your liquid textures. Then once I feel like I've got, everything pretty much coated, take this, turn it upside down, back up. And I set it in, let me see it, in my funnel. And let it drip right back into this so I can save all the extra. So that's just going to drip, 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 drop, drop, drop. Now I'm letting just the excess come out because I don't want it to like dry. I'm going to go ahead and open this up. We're going to start with this color just because it's at the top. And again, I found it in the arts and crafts section at the Dollar Tree. They're just taped on little packages, you can see, in relation to a little Dixie cup. Not that big. I'm gonna go ahead and just cut the corner off. Just a little bit so that it comes out, but not like everywhere. So this should be about done. You can see, so it's got hairspray all on the inside. Put it back in my cup. I'm going to take my other funnel, put that in there. I mean, you could probably just freehand and pour it in, but if you're someone who just wants to be like precise and not waste any, you know, this method works. Take this, drop that in. See, and I feel like I can probably get one whole ornament out of a pack. But we'll start there. Still have some left. And then I'm just gonna shake, 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 Shinoda. Shake my body now. Shake, 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 Shinoda. Shake it all the time. So, see how that's kind of coated. We have some areas that are still kind of bare. So I'm gonna make my hole just a little bigger. And again, if you just don't want to bother with the funnel, pour the rest of that in there. Oh my God, on my finger. So now I have the whole packet in this bowl. Shake, 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 Shinoda. Shake the body now. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, 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 shake the shake the shake. Oh, glitter on my finger. Just doop, 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 doop. Wipe it off in the cup. And now we have like this fully coated darkness. So the next step is you're going to want to let it dry completely. And, you know, get the excess out. So I just now let this one dry. And just so you can see the process one more time. That's absolutely not. Yeah, this one. Bold. Let's do the next color. Ooh, that is so pretty. And again, you can use the funnel if you like, or, you know, if you bold, you ain't never scared, go ahead and just, you know, freehand that mug in there, pour some in. So I'm not going to use the glitter hand because I don't want the blue glitter to the darker blue. Just swirl it, Team Swirl. Shout out to the housewife. Team Swirl. Team Swirl. And again, if you don't have funnels, no worries. No funnel, no problem. I don't like the bubbles. I feel like the bubbles would result in like air pockets of like empty spaces. So I drip, 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 drop, drop, drop. Go ahead and open with my scissors. And my bubbles eventually all pop. Nothing left. Put my lid back on. We don't want no accidents now. Don't want to be spilling stuff. I mean, it's only $1, but we ain't about to be out here just wasting dollars. You feel me? And we take our, and again, funnel, freehand, whatever moves your spirit, pour that in there. And it's literally just enough to do the smaller ornaments. And then shake, 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 Shinoda. Shake it all the time. Shake, 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 Shinoda. I don't know the words. And then, yeah, my little finger. And our first ball. I've never had any issues with yellowing or, I mean, the glitter's on the inside, so you don't have to worry about it peeling or anything like that. So now you have those. So you let those dry, you know, it's hairspray, overnight to be super safe. The last ones I did, I probably waited about 20 minutes before I put the tops back in. So I let those get good and hard, girl, like a good hairdo. Just let that rest. And then I put them back in the packaging. And I have my glitter balls. And then, you know, at a later time, whatever I decide, I'd put some type of decal on the outside, probably 2 inches by 2 by 1, depending on if you know if it was like a monogram or a name or like a little picture. That would really determine the size. You know, maybe like a team name, pregnancy announcement. Like you can do all type of things. Yeah, but that's how I take Dollar Tree ornaments and Dollar Tree hairspray, along with some Dollar Tree cups and funnels, and do my thing. And they're just selling for like what, $6 a pop. You can sell a set, make it do what it does. All right. Here is the final product. Super quick, super easy, super cheap.
What?
Dollar Tree ornaments, Dollar Tree glitter, Dollar Tree hairspray, and we out here doing big things, honey. And I haven't, if you don't get out my way, I ain't got no issues with, like, I heard people use the Mop and Glow, stuff turns yellow. I have no issue with the hairspray. I think it wouldn't even show through the glitter anyway. You don't have to worry about it being like toxic or whatever, because it's hairspray. So if you enjoy the video, like the video, subscribe to the channel, drop down below in the comments thoughts, feelings, deep philosophical beliefs, and I'll see you soon for something. Go girl, get it, hey, around on them, turn around on them.